Good day, super excited. How are you doing? You're welcome to Financial Trading Culture, where we trade the cryptocurrency market, the Forex market, and also the stocks market. And today's topic, we're talking about why you should break even when you're playing in the Forex market. If this is your first time visiting Owolabi's YouTube channel, you want to make sure you subscribe. It is a home of financial freedom. The goal is to teach you a lot of ways that I've learned over my years of experience for you to be able to leverage and be consistent in the financial market. Guys, I'm excited about this topic. Uh, Let me share one of my stories with you so you understand why this is very, very important. I remember my first 2 years getting started in the Forex market, 2011 and 2012. Between 2010 and 2012, one of the things that I was taking for granted was breaking even. A lot of time when I take the trade, because I strongly believe that my strategy was going to get to take profit one, get to take profit two, get to take profit three, I take a lot of my trades for granted. And when I go into the trade, I end up losing. And I'm not consistent at it. Before, I now had like a 2 years, 3 years break of not trading live account. And I came back in 2018. So it was a real one for me because I needed to get it right. One of the things that changed the game for me was breaking even. And you need to understand this. When you enter a trade, it is not just about entering a trade. It's very important what you do after you have entered the trade. It's like you starting a car and you don't know how to maneuver your way to, and even how to reduce your speed and even how to park the car. It's going to be very disastrous. Why? Because you've done the first part of the movement, but you don't know how to manage the movement. So breaking even is very important. I'm going to share with you several options you have to be able for you to break even. Now, it depends on your strategy. I've seen a lot of people when they are on their 1 to 3, they break even when they have made 1-to-1 ratio. And the reason is that they are risking 40 pips to make 120 pips. So 40 pips means that it's a lot. So you have to do what? You have to break even 40 pips to 40 pips. Once you have made 40 pips, you don't want, it's going to be foolishness for you to see $10 and you're risking $10 and you now end up returning everything back to the market. Now, it has a lot that it does on a trader. Now, there are also some set of people like our own ITC strategy. Our stop loss ranges between 5 pips to 20 pips. So we go for a minimum of 1 to 5. You must break even at 1 to 3. Why? Because if you go in on 5 pips, for example, and if you go in on 5 pips and the trade takes you in 5 pips, you don't want to break even on 5 pips because at the breadth or at the movement of the market backwards, it could hit you out. So because of your small number of pips, you want to give it at least 1 to 15. So when it does 1 to 3, you want to break even while you are expecting it to go to 5. However, you can also say to yourself, since you're using calculator and you know that your risk is $10, which is maybe 1% of your account, whenever you see $15 or $30, you want to break even. So here, you are breaking even based on risk reward. Here, you are breaking even based on your capital. Now, which one do you recommend, Mr. Mayowa? I recommend breaking even based on risk reward because it allows you to make more money. But when you break even based on your earnings, it means that even if this trade wants to give you $100, you're already comfortable with $15 or $30. But when you go by risk reward, okay, I'm risking $5. It has given me $15. I don't want to lose $5 again. Then I break even. Then somebody will say, Mr. Mayowa, what is break even? Break even is changing stop loss to entry price. So you're giving a stop loss of 0.1515. You're giving entry, which is where you have to enter the trade, at 0.15 because it's a sell, 00. And your take profit one is 0.145. So when you enter your trade on your MetaTrader 4, this will be your entry price and this will be your stop loss value. So for you to break even, it means you will go to modify, and on modify, you are going to be changing the stop loss value, which is this, to your what? Entry price value, which is this. So you will edit it, you change the value to the entry price value, then you modify. With this, if anything goes wrong with your trade, you will not make any profits, neither will you make any loss. So this allows you to be able to protect your capital, because the rule of the game is protect capital and protect capital. So it's not just, oh, I want to make money, I want to make money. You need to make sure you are leveraging on protecting your capital. And as you protect your capital, you will have more capital to trade with. So this is very, very important for you to be able to consistently make money in this industry. Guys, I'm sure this will help you. If you have any question, please drop on the comment box below, and I'll see you in the next episode. Don't forget to click on the subscriber button, click on the notification bell so that you would get notified when the next video is uploaded. Guys, I look forward to seeing you soon. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.